The magic of water has actually been with us because ancient times, as water has actually constantly been associated with healing, cleansing, and other transformative processes. Integrating herbs into a ritual bath is a terrific method to use the wonderful powers of earth energies. Like teas, baths include a direct connection between the plant and the body through interaction with the skin rather than ingestion. Immersing yourself in water that's been instilled with herbs, instead of soapy, artificial bubble bath, can create a genuinely wonderful experience. Obviously, in this modern day age, not everybody is blessed with a bathtub. If you're in this scenario, however, do not feel left out. You can still develop a wonderful bath by using a container of warm water and a mug, and perform this routine in your shower. Just hide the herbs in the bucket, using the mug to dip into the container and pour the water over your body. There are a couple of different alternatives for how to include the herbs to the water. The most typical method is to make an infusion. Pour boiling water over the herbs in a big pot, cover steep for 15 to 20 minutes, and then strain the water into another container. Another alternative is to place the herbs in a fabric bag or wrap them in a washcloth. You can tie the washcloth closed with a ribbon. Even a sock will do for this function. Location the bundled herbs straight into the tub or bucket. Finally, it can be a wonderful experience to simply let the herbs drift loosely around you in the water. Only use this approach if you have a good mesh hair trap or other gadget that will prevent the herbs from obstructing the pipes. When you drain pipes, the tub-dried herbs will expand when filled and can trigger pipes issues if they make it into the drain. Run the water until the tub or pail has to do with midway full prior to adding the herbs or infusion. In order to take advantage of your wonderful bath, discover a time when you can be sure you will not be disturbed. If possible, light several candle lights and leave off any synthetic lights throughout of the bath. Stay in the water for at least 20 minutes. If you have the time, it's perfect to remain in until the water is no longer warm enough to be comfortable.